Welcome back to the Texan Table, y'all. Today, we're grilling up some Texas lamb. I hope you're hungry. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Texan Table, Chet's Backyard Cooking Edition. So today, we have an exciting company. I'm gonna get to grill up a protein that I really don't have a whole lot of experience with. But as always, this show is sponsored by Go Texan. It's the Department of Agriculture's incredible program that helps promote authentic Texas brands. And we got one of those today. So what I have here in front of me is from Defaid Livestock Company out of Snyder, Texas. So this is a family-run business that raises sheep and then sells lamb meat on the side. And what I have here is some lamb chops and some rack of lamb loin. And we're gonna cook this stuff up right here today. Let's get these packages open and get it seasoned. All right, so we got it out of the packaging and now you can really see. I mean, these are some beautiful little lamb chops. It's basically like the tiniest T-bone in Texas. Got a little filet mignon on this side and the lamb New York strip on this side. And then over here, a beautiful lamb loin, basically a rack of lamb. So it's got all the bones in there. And so we're gonna cook it like a full roast. But we gotta season them first. So I'm using another Go Texan partner here. This is Prochex Griller's Choice because it's got a lot of really coarse ground flavors in there, which I love. All over it, baby, all over it. Man, what's funny is lamb is one of the most popular meats all across the world. I mean, the rest of the world loves eating lamb, and here in the States, we just don't eat it that often. I mean, especially not in Texas. Got it seasoned. Now let's head over to the fire pit, make sure our fire is hot and ready for these. All right, so I started these coals about 30 minutes ago. Ooh, yeah, these are red hot, red hot. All right, this roast is gonna take a lot longer to cook than the chops will. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get that on first, and we're gonna sear it up on every single side. Once it's good and seared, we're gonna move it over to the cool side of the grill just to kind of let it finish off. Grilling. An excuse to just stand out and stare off in the distance and still feel like you're accomplishing something. Ooh, look at that. Look at that beautiful crust that got put on that lamb. Oh man, can you smell this?
Oh, I can smell it.
Oh, that's smelling amazing. All right, so I'm taking it. I got all the sides seared. I'm moving it over here to the cool side of the grill. And now it's time for some chops. So when you're cooking lamb, you want to get the internal temperature between, say, 135 degrees on the low end to about 145 degrees on the upper end. You go anywhere past that, you're burning it. Anywhere below that, it might be a little too rare, but right in that range, that's the sweet spot. We're gonna let these bad boys simmer just a little bit longer. All right, so I have pulled the meat off the grill. I've let the steaks rest. I've let the lamb roast rest, and it's time to eat. Ooh, yeah. Perfect medium rare. I'm not gonna say I nailed it, but I nailed it. Actually, I think Defaid Livestock nailed it. That is good right there. You know, lamb just kind of has this mouth flavor and this chew that you don't find in any other red meats.
Oh, did you want me to have some?
Oh, did you sit there?
Oh,
You looked so sad back there.
I'm good.
He's gonna. All right, yeah. You just sit there and enjoy it.
Oh man.
Isn't that good?
All right, I'll get back.
Yeah. Who's manning the camera, the audio? So I nailed the chops. Let's see if I nailed this. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. The lamb chops tasted so clean and pure, you almost didn't have that signature lamb flavor, but this lamb roast right here, oh, it's there. It's there. The rest of the world loves lamb, and we just don't eat enough of it here in the States. Maybe that's all gonna change after y'all find out about Defaid Livestock. It's certainly gonna change for our family. So if y'all wanna learn about Defaid Livestock, you can go to defaidlivestock.com where you can place orders and get some of this yourself. Or if you wanna learn more about the Go Texan program, go to gotexan.org. Happy grilling, y'all.